Virat Kohli, despite being out of form, remains a hot topic during the ongoing Border Gavaskar Trophy in Australia. After scoring only 5 runs in the first innings, he faces scrutiny from fans and media, but teammate Pujara defends him, highlighting Kohli's past successes. Yashasvi Jaiswal scored a brilliant century in the first test against Australia, becoming the second Indian opener to do so at the WACA. Praised by Cheteshwar Pujara, Jaiswal's dedication and hard work are evident as he aims for success in every match. Yashasvi Jaiswal has made headlines by scoring a century in the second innings of the first test against Australia in Perth. The 22-year-old is now the second Indian opener to achieve this milestone at the WACA, showcasing impressive skill and patience throughout his innings. India leads Australia by 218 runs with 172 for no loss in their second innings on day 2. Former player Matthew Hayden predicts India will be all out by tea, while Sunil expects a solid first session from India. The Border Gavaskar Trophy continues. Hardik Pandya made a stellar return to domestic cricket, scoring 74 runs off 35 balls for Baroda in the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy 2024. As the first Indian all-rounder with over 5,000 runs in T20, his performance has been crucial for India's recent successes. In the first test of the Border Gavaskar Trophy, India leads Australia by 218 runs. Openers Yashasvi Jaiswal and KL Rahul set a new record with a 172-run partnership, the highest by visiting batters at Optus Stadium. They need just 20 more runs to break the all-time Indian record in Australia. India's captain Rohit Sharma is set to return for the second test against Australia after missing the first due to his child's birth. KL Rahul impressed with a strong performance, but fans are divided over his batting position when Rohit rejoins the lineup. Harshit Rana reflected on his friendly banter with Mitchell Starc during the Perth Test, emphasizing their close bond from IPL. Rana took 3 wickets, praising captain Jasprit Bumrah for his support. India leads Australia by 218 runs after day 2. In a stunning display, Indian openers Yashasvi Jaiswal and KL Rahul led their team to a commanding 218-run lead against Australia. Jaiswal scored 90 while Rahul added 62, leaving the Australian bowlers struggling on day 2 of the test. In the first test in Perth, India has gained a significant advantage, leading by 218 runs with 3 days remaining. Yashasvi Jaiswal and KL Rahul remain unbeaten, while Jasprit Bumrah's excellent bowling helped bowl Australia out for just 104 runs.